I'm recording now. Okay, so Blackie, we're giving Blackie catnip, and Blackie is going crazy with catnip. Blackie loves catnip. It's like cat's drugs and cat's cocaine. Blackie was snorting the catnip. What the heck?
I gave Kiss some.
I'm recording.
Hold on, because like, I'm not proud of myself. I can't help it.
This is not chalk.
You getting high?
I'm sure that doesn't sound as bad. All you gotta do is shake it.
Blackie loves the sound of the bag that's filled with
It's moon
drugs.
time.
Hi, Jen.
Good job.
You mean Black review?
It's moon time. I think Jen got on herself. Oh, yep, she did.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, Jem's starting to get a little bit of a dose of it.
Here, you want your first dose of catnip?
Leave her alone, though. He's scared.
Floof took one lick of it and then ran off like, oh no.
Jem's like, mine!
Give me some more.
Put it in front of him. He like attacks it. Watch, you'll scratch your hand.
Blackie.
Hold on, I'm bathing in it. I'm bathing.
No, everyone need to see me open this.
Hold on, then you gotta take it downstairs, sweetie.
Yes!
Hold on, thanks for recording. He's like, yeah, spread it right there. Oh, in my ear. It's in my ear. He's
Oh
like,
my
I got
God,
a Christmas pie.
Oh, and then it said,
So cute.
It's got a hatch, it, sweetie. It's got a hatch.
No, I want to wait.
Love you, Blackie. I'm also gonna do my Christmas message.
Okay.
What? Melissa. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got that. Oh, no, no, no. Hi, Floof.